All right, here is side 2 for 22B, course 2. 10% of what number is 175? All right, so we want to use our skills of taking English words and making a math sentence out of them. So 10% of means times, what number is 175? Okay. All right, well, my 10%, remember, is 0.1. So if I have 0.1 times a number, okay, I need to divide both sides by 0.1. All right, and when we are dividing by 0.1, remember, we don't like decimals out here, so we do over, and up. Okay, but you can see all that did was add a 0 because my answer is going to be, right, those exact numbers. So my answer is 1,750. Okay, you can also use logical reasoning to get from 10% to 100%. I need to multiply by 10. Multiply by 10. Okay. Find the volume of this solid. Dimensions are in centimeters. So what we want to do with this is we actually want to break it down. And instead of doing this funny shape here, I'm going to cut it and do a triangle and a square or a rectangle, because that's easier. So this 5, here's the depth. Here's my length at the bottom is 6. This whole side is 10, okay, and this side is 4. So if this whole side is 10 and this is 4, okay, then that leaves this up here must be 6. Okay, so this is 6 also. So we need to do my 6 times 4. Let's see, so my square is 6 times 4, which is 24. Okay, and then I have my 1/2 base times height, so half the base is 3. And 3 times 6 is 18. Okay, so I'm going to add those two together, because that'll give me the whole base. Right, the area of the whole base. So 4 plus 8 is 12. 2, 3, 4, 40. Okay, so I know the area of this whole shape is 42 centimeters squared. Now I can multiply by 5 and get the whole thing. Okay, so if I have my area of base, multiply by 5, that's 10. So I get 210 centimeters cubed. In this figure, lines L and M are parallel. If the measure of angle A is 115, then what is the measure of angle F? Okay, we are looking at A. A is 115 because these are parallels. Okay, L and M, we know that E has to be 115. Okay, and these are both on line M, so E plus F has to be 180 degrees. You can take 80, subtract 115, and need here. Okay, so 10 minus 5, 17 minus 11 is 6. So the measure of angle F is 60 degrees. Okay, solve the equation. D equals RT for R, so we just need to isolate CR. So if we have D equals R times C, get rid of T. If you're multiplying here, then you divide. I got rid of it. So my answer is R equals D over D. right, find the in this figure. Okay, so this one has a couple of steps. If the side angle here is 140, these two are 180, so that makes this 40 degrees. Okay, that's our first. We know inside of a triangle we have 180 degrees, but this is 90. If I take 180 minus 40 minus 90, and with 14, 50 is 50 degrees. Okay, and if that's 50 degrees, then that has to be 50 degrees, right? Opposite angles. Okay, if this is 90, look at that. We already know. This is 50, this is 90, this is 40. Well, this is 50, this is 90, so this must be 40. Remaining x is 40 degrees. R, which means we are increasing or decreasing at a rate, and our angles are the same. Okay, we're gonna set the proportion. Okay, 6 over 8 equals y over 12. Cross multiply 12 times 6. See, 72. And 1. Divide both sides by 18. And we get 18 plus 18. 36. Okay, so 40. Okay. The last one. I gave factor the smaller triangle to the larger triangle. Alright, so we're going from small to big. Remember, factorization. Okay. So how did we get from 6? 8. Well, 6 times 3 is 18. Let's stack 12. Alright, then the pattern holds. Factor is 3. Alright, 16. Solve. What x I'm gonna do? 16 both sides. Okay, and I'm gonna do just 2. So 3 plus 3 plus 2 is 5. And 5/3 x. Okay, so I can multiply everything 3 and divide by, or remember, any times its inverse 1 by x. Okay, so x equals the is right 5 and 30. Make that 1, and I make that 6. Now 6 times 3 over 1. Times 16. Here, x's on both sides. Need them in the same place. Okay, the first thing is minus 1. Okay, so x. This is positive x. Those go away. So 3x minus x, 2x. 12 plus 24 is 36. Divide by 2. I get x equals 8. Okay, simplify. Alright, this is another root. Let's see. Let's see here. I'm not doing anything with negative 60. It's gonna be negative 6. And 7 times 4 is negative 20 minus negative 1 times a negative 1 positive 1. We're going to subtract a positive 1. And flip the top. Instead of subtracting, I'm going to have it 1 mod negative 2. Same thing plus 2. Or was 1. Alright, so these are all negative. Okay. Like negative plus negative 6, negative 7. Negative plus 8 is 5. So I have negative 35, negative 35. Okay, 19. When we parentheses, we start on the work with mass for this, this. Is this right here? Okay, to the third. So 2, 4, 2 in. Close all my parentheses. Okay, 3 times C is 24. Minus D minus 3 times 4 plus 4 is 28. So okay, 100 minus 90 8 times 28 is 80. Okay, so I have 1 minus 4 is 6. 1 minus 6 90. And start reversing here. See, two here. That's right away. Let's do it. Now I have negative 4 and this. We'll say or 2 minus 1 and 2. All always over 1. So if it's negative y, is number 20 on the 80%.